Does ostrich oil have side effects? Hello my friends to my channel. Welcome to the world of natural flavors of oils, where we explore together the benefits, characteristics and advantages of different types of oils. We will provide you with valuable and useful information about natural oils, essential oils, and edible oils and how they can be used to improve our health and beauty. Today we will talk about this natural oil. One of the most amazing but lesser-known treasures of nature. Ostrich oil is known to deliver wide-ranging benefits of beauty, wellness and holistic health. As soon as the first drop is applied, you feel an invocation of ancient beauty rituals, an elemental result of nature's design with simplicity and potency. Rich in essential fatty acids omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9, the oil has transdermal properties, which means it can penetrate deep, so they have a nutritional benefit both on the skin, hair, and in supplement it even can be benefit for the joints. For its ability to ease sore muscles, its ability to hydrate dry skin, or its ability to strengthen hair, this oil has become popular for those searching for natural remedies. In the following sections of this review, we will go into detail about how ostrich oil can be used as an excellent multifunctional tool in your wellness program. What is ostrich oil? Ostrich oil is an oil from the fat of ostriches that contains a similar profile of essential fatty acids as found in human skin, aiding cell repair and regeneration. This oil has a structure similar to that of human sebum and can penetrate the skin without clogging pores. The absorbency and hypoallergenic properties of the oil help keep its fragile constituents from being disrupted, making it a great oil for most skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. Traditional cultures have used ostrich oil for medicinal properties for centuries, and it has been used by the ancients to treat skin disorders, joint pain, and inflammation. The sourcing of this all-amazing product, ostrich oil. Since ostriches are now farmed and their fat is a byproduct of other, non-sustainable, industries, this oil is also environmentally friendly and cruelty-free. Ostrich oil has to go through purification process to get rid of the unwanted contaminants, making it a pure and ethical ingredient. Is ostrich oil edible? Although primarily known for topical use of the oil, in some cultures it is even used in food. It has good fatty acids that when processed for consumption may have the potential for cooking. But as most ostrich oils aren't food grade, they're more appropriate for topical application. Those who are considering the use of ostrich oil as an edible product are advised to consult with professionals and ensure that oils that have been manufactured are suitable for consumption. Topical use oils are not necessarily food grade. Although it is unusual to include recipes that use ostrich oil, the idea serves to emphasize the purity and nutritional quality of the product. However, because of its particular qualities, it is recommended to limit yourself primarily to using externally where its strength is at its peak and provides the greatest benefits. My own encounter with ostrich oil. This marked the beginning of a new chapter in my wellness journey with ostrich oil as a tool to include into my daily life. I doubted that it would be able to compete against the other oils so well at first. But right from the first swipe it was clearly a different texture, and a different experience. Much more richness and much more depth of effect than I had experienced from other products. I started using it on the dry areas of my skin that had previously been unresponsive to other creams. Ostrich oil was absorbed quickly without a greasy residual layer. It took just a couple of days for the areas that were impacted to soften and for the dryness to look visibly improved. Seeing those good initial results, I wanted to see how it would work on my hair. I left it on overnight and concentrated on my ends and any damaged hair. My hair felt fresh and soft and easier to manage right after rinsing it out. Many found that consistent use left their hair looking shinier and healthier while being less susceptible to breakage. The next section I dove into was muscle relief. I put a little bit on some sore muscles after a tough workout, rubbing it in gently. Its anti-inflammatory benefits provided relief. The pain was a lot much less acute. When I first learned about its many uses, I even put some on areas that are prone to fine lines and wrinkles. While using this for a few weeks, my skin definitely looked plumper and the lines around my eyes seemed minimized. Ostrich oil applied has also been helpful in my skin regimen. Mixing a couple of drops with my moisturizer gave my skin a little extra hydration, and I was able to stay hydrated throughout the day without any breakouts. Lastly, I used it as a lip balm, which alone helped choke my chapped lips into submission. The moisturizing effect was fantastic, especially in cold seasons when my lips felt nourished and wooden. Ostrich oil soon became a miracle fix to many skincare and wellness challenges encountered in daily life. Is ostrich oil safe for every age group? Because of its gentle, natural nature, ostrich oil is suitable for everyone from babies to the elderly. This allows Zelda to remain a safe choice for any girl who suffers with sensitive skin, as it is chewing up any potential irritation and giving zero reaction. It can also be used for diaper rashes or dry patches for babies. Its goodness caters to your body in many ways, for many individuals who suffer skin, hair, and even joints discomforts. Old age folks find relief in its unique property, which is anti-inflammatory and thus helps to ease arthritis pain and also enhances skin elasticity. Although ostrich oil is generally safe for all ages, a little patch test never hurts to make sure no one has a bad reaction to it, especially allergy-prone individuals. Health benefits: ostrich oil. Ostrich oil has an exceptional fatty acid profile and has numerous health benefits. Beyond skincare, these benefits can provide supportive relief from inflammation, joint pain, and muscle soreness. Anti-inflammatory effects. It is a great headache or joint pain treatment due to the oil's anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for arthritis, sprains, or sore muscles. Consistent use allows for a more pronounced positive effect by controlling odor in detail and from duration of time. Improved cell function. The essential fatty acids in ostrich oil assist with the regeneration and repair of body cells. This is amazing for people wanting to improve their skin texture and elasticity, since it promotes collagen production. Cardiovascular support. While this product is primarily for topical use, the essential fatty acids may be beneficial for heart health. Although heart health is not affected by topically used oil, this provides an insight into the quality of the oil itself. For muscle pain relief. Athletes and active people love ostrich oil for muscle strain and fatigue. Made from the most potent constituents, the oil sinks deep and relieves from pain. Promotes immunity. Ostrich oil is full of antioxidants, which can minimize the impact of free radicals on your body, improving your general well-being. Having such an antioxidant presence is especially important for skin and protection against environmental effects. Ostrich oil skin and hair. Skin benefits. Superb for skin prefix. It aids in hydration, healing, and skin regeneration. Due to its emollient properties, it is a good solution for eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. Ostrich oil forms a protective layer that retains moisture, increasing the skin's ability to stretch. It is known to make scars and blemishes less visible, giving the skin a smooth, even tone. Hair benefits. Ostrich oil provides some of the best natural benefits for hair, especially dry hair or damaged hair. As a scalp treatment, it can minimize dandruff and improve the scalp condition overall. It enhances shine and minimizes breakage, as well as smooths the hair when it is used on your hair. The fatty acids in ostrich oil are absorbed by each hair follicle, allowing hair to grow longer and thicker over time. Some positive news about ostrich oil. The versatility of ostrich oil, then, is what makes it a go-to product for the natural health-minded. Ethical sourcing and cruelty-free production practices have made the use of ostrich oil a responsible one. The oil is suitable for all skin types and is absorbed quickly by the skin, making it an attractive all-rounder. Trustworthy research on ostrich oil. Ostrich oil has been investigated for its impact on inflammatory diseases, maintaining healthy joints, and can have positive effects on skin regeneration. 7. Research indicates that its antibacterial characteristics help with acne-prone skin, and the antioxidant profile provides skin protection against environmental damage. 1. Ongoing clinical trials are investigating its potential MU for pain relief and cellular regeneration. The best thing to do to benefit from ostrich oil is to seal it with moderate amounts. Start with a patch test on your skin to determine sensitivity. Natural effects of using ostrich oil in your daily or weekly routine, such as moisturizing the skin or using it for hair or sore muscles, will see results over time. Make sure to source high-quality, ethically produced ostrich oil, so you know you are applying a pure product. Storage is important too. Store the oil in a cool place away from light to keep its strength. Furthermore, feel free to incorporate ostrich oil into your other products like a moisturizer, shampoo, or essential oil blends. This will enable you to create a more personalized wellness routine and reap the benefits of the oil even better. And don't forget that results are different for everyone, and consistency is key. A balanced lifestyle can enhance the benefits of ostrich oil, making it a great addition to natural beauty and wellness. Embrace the advantage of ostrich oil. Enter the natural wonder that is ostrich oil. It packs a punch when it comes to skin, hair, and home wellness. Packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, rapeseed oil is the only oil that can support you to the fullest with a holistic approach to beauty and wellness. Deep absorption, hypoallergenic, environmental sustainability. All these qualities make it the ethical, niched premium oil for multiple purposes, unlike any other oils. Ostrich oil can be a powerful supplement to any routine by offering hydration, nourishment, muscle relief, and even anti-inflammation. This oil is a beautiful marriage between nature and self-care. Just invite your body to experience its blessing. Does ostrich oil good for daily application in sensitive skin? Sure, ostrich oil is gentle and works well on sensitive skin. A patch test is advised though. What is the recommended frequency of application for ostrich oil to obtain the best results? Apply ostrich oil 2 to 3 times weekly on skin and hair for greatest benefit. Higher frequency as needed. Is ostrich oil a substitute for conventional moisturizers? Yes, it is a great moisturizer. It feels similar to human sebum and applies for hydration. Does ostrich oil work for joint pain and muscle pain? Its anti-inflammatory properties make it possible for many users to experience relief from joint and muscle aches. Does ostrich oil help with pimples and acne scars? The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of ostrich oil can lessen acne and the appearance of scars. Is it environmentally friendly? Agreed, ostrich oil is a byproduct of raising ostrich, which means it is a greener and cruelty-free vegan oil. Why use ostrich oil over other oils like coconut or argan oil? It is proven therapeutically far superior than emu oil as it possesses more essential fatty acids, penetrates deeper, and is less greasy in nature. Does ostrich oil have side effects? It is uncommon to have side effects, but a patch test should be done by anyone that has a sensitivity to animal products. Daily application of ostrich oil on hair. Ideally, to prevent buildup, use 1 to 2 times per week, but some use a drop a day for sheen. Buy real ostrich oil where? You can find them in reputable health store and online retailers that provide pure ostrich oil that are ethically sourced. Make sure the product contains 100% purity and from sustainable sources. Ostrich oil is a nutrient-rich oil that can be used in many ways and is great for all skin types due to its ability to thoroughly moisturize skin, assist in hair health, and relieve muscle and joint pain. Sustainable sourced, it fits with beauty and wellness ideals, offering a natural, better option than many synthetics. Rich in essential fatty acids, ostrich oil revives, promotes the reduction of visible signs of aging and keeps skin elastic. Many users noted that it is hypoallergenic, suitable for sensitive skin, absorbent and lights, no oily feeling. If you are looking for a natural holistic addition to your self-care ritual, ostrich oil is a great choice for all skin types and is worth trying. Thus, we have seen how this type of oil is not just a nutritional ingredient, but a natural treasure full of health and beauty benefits. Whether you use it in your food, to care for your skin, or even to boost your health, this liquid gold deserves to be a part of your daily life. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel until you receive everything new. And tell us in the comments how to use olive oil in your life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and well. Thank you.